everyone. Tonight I'm going to do a little bit of maintenance on my bandsaw. I made a video about a TV stand right around Christmas time, and the bandsaw was fine, used it through that. Then next time I went to cut, it turned on, but the blade wasn't moving. I'm going, what in the world's up with that? And what happened was the belt got completely chewed up. I don't know if you can see it down here, but there's like nothing left of it. So I ordered a belt. It came in. Hopefully it fits. And going to change it tonight. Now, I already did one thing because I wanted to make sure that if I was going to do this video, I could actually do it. And I took the clip off of the motor shaft here, or no, that's the motor shaft, off of the shaft here, so I could see if I could get the wheel off, because if I couldn't get the wheel off, then I couldn't do this video. But I was able to get the clip off. Hopefully it's not sprung and I can put it back on. Didn't think about ordering another one of those. And next thing will be close, open. Okay. Next thing will be releasing the tension so that I can take the belt or the bandsaw off itself, the saw blade, and I'm going to change that because I kind of pretty much ruined it cutting some thick pieces of aluminum here, and it really doesn't track well anymore. So I'm going to do all that tonight. So let's see, the first thing I got to do is release the tension on here, and there's nothing on here that shows me what the tension is supposed to be, or like a gauge or anything, which would have been really nice. So what I'm going to do, I don't know what part moves, but I'm going to put a mark here in case that moves, and then also on here because I'm not sure which part moves. There's something back here which probably locks it into place. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know what that does. And then this should loosen. Oh, you can take that out. I never knew that. Okay, so going this way should loosen it. There. Alright. I've never done this ever. This is the very first time even changing the blade on this. Oh, I got more work to do. This probably just holds this whole piece on. And I don't have the hex for that right now, so let me pause you. Okay, the closest thing I got here is a 3/16. So let me see if I can very gently. Oh. Well, I still would have needed this, but there's a wing nut underneath. Okay. Oh, there's 3 wing nuts. Okay, so that one's the middle one. Ah, okay. Cool, I didn't have to take this the whole way out. Hopefully I can thread it back in. Okay. And one bad bandsaw blade off. I'd really like to find a wider blade. I'll have to look up online for these because this is good for cutting curves and everything, but I would like to resaw some wood, and I'd need a thicker blade for that so that I don't get a lot of movement. But I'll put this off to the side right now. Okay, the blade's off. The next thing is to loosen the motor so whenever we go and put this belt back on, or the new belt on, that I won't be trying to stretch it over everything. So I'm going to pause this so I can find out how to loosen the motor. Well, that was quite easy. As you can see, there's just one bolt right here, loosened it and brought the motor up. Took it almost down to its whole length, and you can see it was about right here, maybe in normal position, so I can make sure that I kind of go back there whenever I put it together. Not bad. Okay, so the next thing is to take the wheel off. Oh, look at that. And remove the old belt. And I'm going to pause this and do some cleaning. As you can see, I got a whole bunch of sawdust in here. I'll do some cleaning up and see if I can find some lubrication for in there and put everything back together. Okay, I think all the cleaning is done, so it's time to put on our new belt. Let's put it over. Our new belt. Our new belt is too wide. Why are you too wide? Okay. Our new belt is too big. Oh boy. Oh, whoo! No, the belt doesn't go on there. The belt goes on here. Alright, I like that better. Oh, that was scary. Okay, so we'll put the belt on there. Oh, I didn't lube it. Hold on. Let me go find something to put on there. So, after I got my powdered graphite out and cleaned off the shaft, I realized this has a sealed bearing in it, so don't have to worry about lubricating. So we'll stick this back on the shaft and see if I can get the clip to go on. And as usual, the one thing, I always mess something up. The one thing I loosened back there was the tracking. So we'll see if I can get my saw blade to track right. That'll be a feat. Okay, hopefully I can get this back on. I'm going to try another method here. Hold on. Okay, let's see if I can get this on this way. But hopefully I won't lose it first. And I apologize if you can't see this very well. It's okay, neither can I. Oh, so not close even. Okay, that's not going to want to do that. I wish I had a better pair of these. The ones, we have a couple at work and they seem to work so much better. Well, hopefully it won't fall off, but it is loose now. Wonderful. Okay, hopefully we can get this on the... Yes! Now, excuse me. Put the motor back down. was about there. Belt seems not quite too tight, but there. Tighten the motor down. Hopefully that doesn't move. And excuse me again. Okay, so not too bad. Then I have this set of Craftsman Blades. Never open. 70.5 inches. I'll have to write that down and see if I can find something a little bit wider to put on this. Okay, now there should be 3 blades in here, and which one matches what I had on there? None of them really seem to match too well. Okay, it looks like it's the largest one, but the teeth on my blade are cut down so much that it doesn't even look like it fits. Okay, this is going to be interesting, trying to get this out of here, just the one blade, because it looks like they're all interconnected. Well, when all else fails. Yeah, these are so different. This one looks like it would be good for cutting metal. This one actually looks like my resaw. So I'm going to put the middle one on, which is thinner than what was on there, but hopefully this will work. Okay, get everything out of the way here. Now that I screwed up the tracking on this, I wonder how long it'll take me to adjust it after I get the tension back. These teeth hurt. Okay, you're in there. Let's get you between there. Of course. No, I need you to stay on. Okay, you're on there. Let me turn you up a little bit more. Get you on the track. Because you're way off back here. So we have to loosen the tension. Yeah, this kind of stuff is not easy for me. Wow, this gets actually a decent amount of tension on it. Okay, well, I think everything is back together. I'm going to close this one up. And we'll move to the top.